for this. So this is the miracle happening here now. Tomorrow begins the fun. And let's take a look at how stormy the weather is. This is a storm, sandstorm. Rain and rainstorm or sandstorm. Put it off. Woo! Did you guys see that? Woo! It is raining ice. 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 Where ice? There is ice. Full of ice. You understand? Ice, ankasa. Don't go there. And then Togo for me. Wow. All a wow. So, after 5 years, this is my first time seeing. Woo! Ice, pure ice. Don't go there. Don't go there. Don't go there. Don't go there. Ice don't finish. Now it's sunny. So it's sunny now. And still raining. And this is Sharjah for you. This is UAE for you. And you better so. I'm glad I'm able to get it all through from since when it was dark, and then when the storm started, when it was windy, and then when the thunder struck, and now when it was raining ice, and now when it is raining your parents say sukochia. Yes, this is a sukochia. Yes. So this is it for you. It is raining ice. It is raining ice. So me if you say yeah, say be ra samamu. If you be a bow kromo. I just decry give all those who work in the construction sector. I just remembered everyone and so it is okay now, but now the sun has started shining and the kind of scorch it is giving, I can feel it is going to be an amazing year this year. Look at the kind of vapor. The vapor that is coming out. So if you didn't say vapor, for more. And I feel so I guess I will check. I'll do say mirage. Form. And easy. So this year is sumo bebre. In fact, more construction edumani ade. The mamoyako. I just hope and pray this year is cool on you guys. I don't wish you bad. I just wish you well. It is raining ice. It is raining ice. At the end of the day, Opana. Now, as you baby, any idea, so we do as you say, own one water.